Hey YouTube, today we're talking about my favorite new way to clone houseplants. It is air layering. It's super simple. Most of you guys probably have these things at home, but all you're gonna need is some cotton balls. You should be using Sphagnum Moss to be doing this, but I figure we'll just do something around the house that most of you have. So we'll actually examine what happened after I did this method about a week ago on this Monstera standaleyana. So there we have some of the roots. As I said, this does work best with Sphagnum Moss, but this has only been about a week. And we'll go through the process of how you can do this at home. So start by soaking your cotton balls in water. Tap water is fine. Now I'm gonna pour off the water. I didn't squeeze them out of water, but I shook them out. The goal is to keep air within the cotton balls. That's the nice thing about Sphagnum Moss, is that it keeps the air and water mixed in, but we're gonna kind of peel these apart to create air pockets within the cotton balls. So I'm gonna now take my sheet of cling wrap and lay out some pieces of the cotton balls. You don't want them soaking wet. The idea is to create a bit of like a humidity dome around the root area. This can be done with most vining plants, most plants that you do in water cuttings. So now I'm gonna kind of lift up the cotton balls with the saran wrap and wrap it under the rooted area, kind of just like a bandage. And you don't want to do it super tight, but make it so that it doesn't fall off and that it maintains humidity. And there you have it. It really is that simple. That's why it's become my new favorite cloning method. It's faster than the water method, actually. It's proven to have slightly better results and a higher success rate. I'd attribute that to it still being allowed to be attached to the plant while it's rooting. It's been used in the agricultural world for many, many years. Try it out. Try and use Sphagnum Moss if you can, but cotton balls are an okay alternative. Try it at home. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you did enjoy the video or learn something new, please click the thumbs up down below. It does help us out. And tune back in next Saturday for next week's video. Thanks for watching.